Good day, Augustinians. Today, you are going to learn how to navigate or use the MS Teams. First, you're going to sign in or log in to your MS Teams account. Once you are signed in, this will appear to your dashboard. Here, you can see the different subjects. Now, how can you see the announcement or some information regarding to your subjects? In order to see the announcement or some posts related to the subjects, click the subject, then click General. For example, MAPE 5. Click the subject, then click General. Here, you will see all the posts or reminders from your subject teacher. Now, how can you see if there is a live class in a particular subject? First thing that you're going to do is to go to Teams. Click the Teams, choose the subject. For example, MAPE 5. Then here, you will see four channels. These channels are components under MAPE subjects. Click the channel and you will see here if there is a scheduled meeting for this component. Remember kids, you have to be aware of your class schedule to avoid confusion. For example, next week you'll be having your health class. So you're going to click health. Then here you will see under post that there is a scheduled meeting on Monday, October 12, 2020 at 3 o'clock p.m. Again, kids, you have to be aware of your class schedule, especially the time. Now, how to attend the live class? First, go to Teams, choose the subject, choose the scheduled channel, for that day, and you will see here the scheduled meeting for the live class. Please take note of the date and time in the given scheduled meeting. Click this and look for the join button. Look for the join button. Once you click the join button, this will appear to your screen. Make sure to turn on your camera and microphone. Then you click Join Now. After clicking Join Now button, this one will appear to your screen. As you notice, there are different icons on the upper part of your screen. We have participants. Here, you can see your classmates. Next, we have the show conversation or the chat box. Here, you can post a message regarding the lesson or the topic. Next, we have the raise your hand icon. You can use this one if you have some clarification or if you want to answer. Next, we have the camera icon wherein you can turn on or off your camera. Next one is the microphone or the mic icon wherein you can mute or unmute yourselves during the entire discussion. Now, how to leave the meeting? Once the meeting or live class is ended, you just have to look for the leave button. This one. You have to click this one to end the meeting. That's all, kids. Enjoy your class using the MS Teams. Thank you for listening. Have a great day ahead.